morning. We went to Max Diner in North St. Paul, Minnesota. We decided to check this place out. I ordered a coffee with creamer. And the kids were just playing tic-tac-toe, waiting for the food to come. The kids wanted avocado toast with potato. I ordered biscuit with gravy, scrambled eggs and potato, and then we ordered pancakes with sausages. It was very delicious. The food here, I would give it, out of 5 star, I would give it 4 star. It is very unique, it's very good, especially the biscuit with gravy. The biscuit was very soft. Emma requested to come back. Priscilla kept asking to come back. We are waiting outside of the Emma's dance studio. She goes at 1 o'clock. It is 15 minutes till 1, so we have to sit here and wait. She needs to pee really bad. I don't know why she needs to pee. Was it the juice?
Yes, I drank too much of it. I finished it.
After dropping off Emma, Priscilla and I went to Costco. At Costco, I picked up some water bottles, picked up some Clorox wipes. We needed Kleenex. Preston has been needing Kleenex, laundry detergent, some lotions, strawberries, grapes, toothpaste, and then I grabbed some banana for Preston. He loves banana for breakfast. Mommy, recording. 就覺得都光你背起來，夠光了。We went down to the basement or to the second level and just enjoy some cuddling time. I have my fleece blanket here. Preston's just watching CoComelon. The other 2 girls are just playing on their iPad for a bit. And this is my relaxing Saturday. I haven't had one relaxing Saturday for a while. It's always cleaning, running errands. But today I just have to pause and just enjoy this moment with my kids. We did end up finishing Wednesday. It's such a good movie. If anybody wants to watch something on Netflix, watch Wednesday. It's very good. Picked up Emma from dance class. I grabbed them some McDonald's to snack on while I cook for dinner.
Barbecue sauce.
What's the toy?
It's
Mario? You're not gonna be in the vlog. You're gonna be like, how come I'm not in there? Yummy? Mitu na mamavian. Yum. I know. Yeah, don't take your booger, you're eating.
Mom, you ruined my time.
What are you eating? You're eating fries and nuggets? At Costco, I picked up some strawberry and grapes, and what I'm doing here is I am just washing them and putting them in these buckets to drain and setting it in the fridge. So that way whenever the kids wants to eat a snack, they could just go into the fridge and pull these out and just start eating because I washed them already. Doing this, I find that it's very helpful for the kids to eat a little bit more of the fruit because it's already washed and ready to be eaten. For dinner, we are gonna have boiled chicken with herbs. Here I'm just cleaning the chicken really well, chopping up the chicken into pieces.
That was funny. Mom, can you do it to me? Ready? Ready? Ready?
謎かじゃね、ポンカットしたね。